Despite the collapse of her marriage, Esther felt more content than ever.
I'm so glad to be back with you both.
You're doing great, Esther. Let's dive into the new projects.
I feel like I can finally contribute again.
Remember, Esther, it's important to turn your worries over to the Lord.
I'm trying, but it's hard sometimes.
Trust in His plan, Esther. He will provide for you.
I'll keep the faith.
I can't believe what John did. You deserve so much better.
I know, but I'm trying to move on.
Remember our days as student nurses?
Those were the best times. I can finally get the qualifications I've always wanted.
Esther applied to university and was accepted.
Let's kick the ball. Daniel.
Yay!
I can't believe Adam is back.
You look amazing, Esther.
Thanks. It's been a journey.
This is for you. It's from some people who remember your kindness.
What do you mean? I can't believe it.
You can and you will.
This will change everything.
You deserve it.
Thank you so much.
Just remember, what goes around comes around.
Esther felt the weight lift off her shoulders.
This is it. Thank you, Lord. I am ready to live my dream.